Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video I am going to show you how to change the text color in Publisher Windows 10. Let's get started. At first we have to open a Publisher document on our Windows 10 computer. Now we want to change the text color. Firstly, select some text. Now I select the text, click and drag on our mouse. Then go to the home menu. Then find and select the font color drop down menu and choose the orange color. Now we can see we change the font color very easily. You can try this process in another text. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.